Hey, welcome to the video. Research used to take hours. Opening dozens of tabs, reading articles you don't need, trying to figure out what actually matters. But today, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT Agent can handle all of that for you, in less than 3 minutes. ChatGPT Agent is not just a chatbot. It's an AI that works step by step, just like a human researcher, but faster and more organized. Instead of asking one question at a time, you give it a goal, and the agent figures out how to achieve it. Let me show you a real example. I asked ChatGPT Agent to research a topic, something that would normally require searching multiple websites and comparing different sources. As soon as I submit the request, the agent starts working. It breaks the task into clear steps, searches relevant and reliable sources, filters out unnecessary information, finds patterns and key insights, and organizes everything into a clean, easy-to-read summary, all without me opening another tab. This is what makes ChatGPT Agent powerful. You're no longer doing research manually. You're delegating research. In under 3 minutes, you get information that's clear, structured, actionable, and ready to use immediately. No copy-paste, no confusion, no wasted time. Another big advantage is that ChatGPT Agent can adapt to different needs. You can ask it to summarize complex topics, compare tools or competitors, extract key points from long content, or even turn research into outlines, scripts, or plans. This makes it more than a research tool, it's a productivity multiplier. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe. And comment, Agent, if you want a full step-by-step tutorial. This is the future of research, and it's already here. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.